Finally got that unstuck. Had to use the ladder. Must oil it. Oh, my back. Okay, we're going to Hillary's today. Good morning. We're going to Hillary's today. She said to be there 11:30. Go lah. I soaked some clothes last night. Washed the clothes. I slept well. Got up just before 7 and then slept again. Rain last night. Those chairs overturned. Okay, I go and have my coffee. Do the laundry. I feel like eating chicken rice. I clipped her nails yesterday, right? I'm gonna go and open the door, the front door, and then just see. I'm not gonna take chances. I'll be there. No, I cannot. I can't be there the whole time. Put the stopper, just open it tiny bit for some air to come in. Yeah. Okay. Really need my coffee and a Panadol. Talk to you soon now. I feel like having chicken rice. Nice weather for a ride. Wait, we'll see. Have my coffee, do the laundry first. Talk to you soon. Oh, the ambulance yesterday. Later lah, auntie. Even if auntie doesn't know, Jason's mother. Yeah, baby. Jason's mom will know what happened. Okay, I stop first, huh?